Tired of hunting for the edit button in Pipedrive? Here is exactly how to update any organization in under 2 minutes. I have been there myself, scrolling through menus, wondering why something so simple feels so hidden. But once you know where to look, it becomes second nature. We will start by navigating to the right section, then walk through each editable field and finish with saving your changes so you never have to wonder if it actually stuck. All right, so let us hop right in. First, open up Pipedrive in your browser. It does not matter if you are on the web app or the desktop version. The layout is going to be pretty much the same. Now, look over to that left sidebar. You are going to see a few different options. Click on the one that says Contacts. That is your gateway to both people and the companies they work for. Once you are inside Contacts, you'll notice a couple of tabs at the top. One says People, the other says Organizations. Go ahead and click Organizations. This will show you every company you have stored in your pipeline. Just give it a moment to load. Pipedrive is usually pretty quick, but if you have a lot of data, give it a second or two to catch up. Scroll through your list until you find the organization you need to edit. Click directly on its name to open up the full profile. Now, here is the part that used to trip me up. Up near the top right of that profile, you will see an Edit button. Sometimes it looks like a little pencil icon. Either way, click that. This opens up the record for editing, and suddenly all those fields become changeable. Let us start with the obvious one, the organization name. Maybe they rebranded or you spelled it wrong the first time. Click into that field and type the new name. Easy. Next up is the owner. This is the person in your team responsible for that account. If someone leaves or you reallocate accounts, you can change the owner here. Just click the drop-down and select someone new. Scroll down a bit and you will find the address field. I love this one because it integrates with Google Maps if you have that set up. Just start typing the street, city, and zip code. As you type, suggestions will pop up to help you fill it in faster. Now for the website. Maybe they changed their domain or you just copied it wrong. Paste in the full URL here. You do not need to add the HTTP part. Pipedrive will handle that for you. The industry field is a simple text box. If you are using standard industries, just type it in. If you have custom ones, same thing. Type it, tab out, and move on. Annual revenue and number of employees are two fields that really help with reporting. You can type a number directly into annual revenue. Pipedrive will format it with commas for you once you save. For number of employees, just enter a figure. These are great for filtering later, so it is worth keeping them accurate. Now, here is where things get powerful. Custom fields. Depending on how your admin set things up, you might see fields like LinkedIn URL, tax ID, or even a custom rating system. I have tested these on a few different accounts, and they work just like the standard fields. Click into each one, update the info, and move on. If you see a checkbox or a dropdown, just interact with it naturally. Before you hit save, take a moment to scroll back up and review your changes. This is your safety net. Make sure the owner looks right, the phone number is correct, and all your custom fields have the right data. It is a lot easier to double-check now than to go back in and fix a typo later. All right, once everything looks good, click that green Save button at the top right. You will see the page refresh, and your organization is now fully updated. Man, that is it. From hunting around for edit buttons to confidently updating any field in seconds. Now you can keep your CRM clean and your follow-ups on track. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy updating.